Today, I invite you to my kitchen, where two friends come together to cook something simple, something special, a lentil curry, rich with flavor and friendship. It's not just about the food, but about the moments shared over the stove, where laughter mixes with spices and stories blend into every bite. Garlic, ginger, spices, small worlds of their own, gather ready to meet the heat. This is where stories live, in the hands of friends who come together, their laughter woven into the steam of what they create. In the rhythm of their shopping, there's a quiet conversation that doesn't need words. Two friends, bound by years of shared meals and moments. Each slice of onion, each careful stir speak of trust. One grates ginger while the other eats the oil. A dance reversed by memory, they move with the grace of familiarity, knowing the recipe but never rushing. The spices leaped into oil, cumin, turmeric, coriander, like sparks igniting the air. The scent fills the room, and they pause, as if to breathe in the history that each spices bring. It's more than just a meal, it's a connection to those before who cook not just to eat, but to remember. And then the lentil, patient and waiting, are brought to the pot. They soften slowly, as all good things do, like friendship, simmering over time, deepening in flavor with each passing moment. Together, these two best friends have more than food. They've made a space for care, for laughter, for quiet comfort. When the meal is served, the table fills with gratitude. Each spoonful is a reminder that life's simplest moments are often its most profound. Where in the act of sharing, there is joy, there is nourishment, there is love, folded in each bite of lentil curry. Cooking together is a quiet kind of joy. It's a reminder that life's most meaningful moments aren't always granted. They are found in every day, in the company of those who make us feel at home. Lentil curry, like friendship, is simple yet deeply satisfying. A dish made with love, shared with love, and savored in every spoonful.